and welcome to another product review from Beads Jar. I'm Natalia, and today I'm going to be taking you through some of the brand new needles that we are going to be stocking from John James. Now, these are a company who are famous worldwide for specializing in hand sewing needles and tools. They are British founded and bred, so they are based in Redditch, Worcestershire, and this is also known as the needle capital of the world. So there is nothing that John James Company do not know about needles. They were formed in 1840, as you can see on the logo on the packaging. So they've been going for a very long time, and they are known as the company who provide the finest quality needles for needle crafters around the globe, and we're so excited to bring these fabulous products to you today. So I just want to walk you through some of the needles that you'll be seeing on our website, and you can confidently choose the one that you need for the kind of project that you're doing. So when you're choosing the size of the needle that you need, always remember that the smaller the number, the larger the needle size is. So a size 10 would be a larger eye, as opposed to something that is a 0.28, which would be a much smaller eye. Okay, so I'm going to take you through these, and first of all, we've got the English beading needles. We have these in a size 10 and a size 15. So these are the traditional needles, so they were made in England, and all of these beading needles are actually made in England, but we have traditional English beading needles. And these are fine and long, they have long eyes, and they're available in sizes through 10 up to 15, and they're suitable for use with beads, pearls, sequins, and also for threading and stringing pearls. So those of you who like pearl knotting, these are brilliant needles for you to use for that. So we've got those there. Now next we have this type of needle, which is the curved beading needle. So these are for more tricky tasks. We've got them in a size 10 here, which is a decent size eye. And if you wanted to sew a box together, for example, or if a lot of people like sewing light shades, lamp shades, they're a very popular craft nowadays. The curved beading needle enables you to get into those difficult, complex maneuvers. And next then we have our sharps. So these come in a size 10, a size 11, and a size 12. So what are the sharps? Well, the sharps are the most popular needle for general work with needles. So suitable for medium to heavy fabrics, the sizes 2 through to 4, which we don't sell. But if you're wanting to work with fine fabrics or small delicate stitches, then these sharps are perfect for that. Next we have the straw needles. Now, millinery has become something that is a very popular craft, and I know that some of you will be interested in making your own hats. So your straw needle in size 11 is absolutely brilliant for that. And these needles are really good for pleating, fancy decorative stitching, and some other types of beadwork as well. They're similar to an ordinary sharps needle, but they're slightly longer. As you can see, you get 25 needles in each pack, and they come in this lovely little pack, so you can keep them all together there. But you've got plenty of needles for all of the tasks that you want to perform. And then finally we have a tapestry needle, which has a size 28, so very fine tapestry needles there. So I hope you can see that there's a needle for every type of task that you want to complete. Any kind of quilting, millinery work, leather work, and general beading work, they're all here for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you want to find out more about the needles and to order your own, then just have a look in the show more section, where you'll find links to our website. If you've enjoyed this review, then please do like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll have plenty more reviews for you, and also lots of interesting ideas through our product and jewellery tutorials. Bye for now.